If you've been thinking about starting an online store, this is honestly one of the best deals available right now. Shopify is currently offering a completely free trial, and after that, you can continue for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. That means you can launch your store, start selling, and test your business for almost nothing. In this video, I'll show you how to activate the Shopify free trial, how to unlock the $1 per month offer, what you get during the trial, and how to set up your store step by step. Let's get started. To get the Shopify free trial, go down to the description below and click the Shopify link I provided. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission if you decide to continue with Shopify. There's no extra cost to you, and you'll still receive the same free trial and $1 per month offer. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Shopify free trial page. Here, enter your email address, create a password, and you can choose to enter your card information now or skip and enter it after the free trial period. Shopify will ask you a few quick questions about your business, like whether you're already selling, what you plan to sell, and your business details. You can answer these or skip them if you want. After that, you'll be taken directly into your Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything for your store, including products, orders, customers, payments, and your website design. Your free trial starts right away. During the trial, you can build your store, add products, customize your design, and explore all Shopify features. Once your trial ends, Shopify will offer you the option to continue for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. This is significantly cheaper than the normal pricing and gives you time to grow your store before paying full price. To start building your online store, click Online Store on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click Visit Theme Store. You can choose a free theme or explore paid themes if you want more customization. Click Edit Theme to edit your store design. From here, you can change your homepage layout, add images and text, update colors and branding, and create a professional looking store. Next, go to Products and click Add Product. Here, you can add your product title, upload images, set pricing, write descriptions, and manage inventory. Once you're done, click Save. To accept payments, go to Settings, Payments. You can enable Shopify payments, PayPal, or other payment providers. This allows you to start collecting payments from customers right away. Once everything looks good, you're ready to launch your store. Before going live, make sure you add your products, set up payments, customize your design, and review everything. Then you can remove the password and officially launch your website. This Shopify free trial, combined with the $1 per month offer, is one of the lowest risk ways to start an online business. You can test products, build your store, and start making sales without spending much upfront. If you want to get started, make sure to use the Shopify link in the description to activate the free trial and unlock the $1 per month deal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.